Using a wood stove should feel simple. You build a fire, light it, and enjoy the warmth. And you should feel safe knowing your fire is burning as it should. But anyone who has used a wood stove knows there is more to it than that. Some days, the stove starts easily. Other days, the stove is cold or the draft is weak. Smoke wants to come back into the room, and it is hard to know what to do next. Should you preheat the flue longer? Is it time to close the door? Should the bypass stay open? Is the fire burning well or burning too hot and becoming unsafe? How would you really know? When should you adjust the air? When is the right time to reload? For many wood stove users, these decisions come from trial and error. New users may feel unsure. Experienced users may still run into difficult starts, changing weather conditions, or performance that varies from one burn to the next. Fire Maps is designed to help. Fire Maps is a real-time wood stove guide that helps you understand what your stove is doing and what steps may help improve the burn. It supports you during the most challenging parts of wood stove use, especially preheating and startup, and when your fire is roaring hot, maybe too hot. Establishing a good draft is critical. Otherwise, smoke problems are likely to occur. And if you build too hot of a fire, you may risk overfiring your stove or even develop a chimney fire. Instead of relying only on guesswork, Fire Maps gives you clear, practical guidance based on stove conditions. It can help you learn how your stove behaves. It can help you understand when the fire is developing properly. It can help you recognize when important actions may be needed. Those actions may include closing the door, adjusting the bypass, changing airflow, or preparing for a reload. Fire Maps also helps improve awareness and safety by alerting you when stove conditions may be getting too hot and sends maintenance reminders. Over time, it helps you see your progress across individual burns, multiple fires, and even an entire season. You can review burn history, duration, performance trends, estimated emissions, cost savings, and milestones. These features provide confidence and make wood stove use more engaging. Fire Maps does not replace good stove practices. It helps make good stove practices easier to understand and implement. For new users, it acts like a coach. For experienced users, it provides insight and confirmation. Fire Maps turns wood stove operation from uncertainty into confidence and clarity.